You've been in a bad shape for a couple months now. Like there was that day up at the up on Broad Street when you thought there were kids in the back of a semi truck.
I was one off day that you know of.
Yeah.
Besides that, what else, man?
Well, you're having an off day right now too.
I've got my neighborhood to the point where I know I'm good. Even that's like.
Have you been down to the shelter or anything?
I haven't needed
Ask for help. Well, if you're living on the street.
Today's video demonstrates the struggle with mental illness, drug abuse, and homelessness. The man at the center of today's video has been on the channel before, suffers from mental illness, and most likely is abusing methamphetamine.
I don't know if there was. Hey, listen, I'm 31 years old. Have I ever done this, man? Are you a man or a woman?
What are you on?
Are you serious?
Yes. What did you take?
What are you?
What drugs did you take today?
What drugs did you take? What did you call me?
David? Right?
Wow.
You said?
Dave has had multiple interactions with the police, and on multiple occasions, the police have transported him to treatment facilities. For one reason or another, Dave has refused to accept the treatment and the benefits that are made available to him. This makes it very frustrating for everyone involved.
What's up, buddy? You doing all right? Hey, talk to me for a second. Hey, don't go in there. Come here and talk to me for a second. You used to live here?
No, you didn't start a report like that, but no.
You didn't used to live here?
You know me, Dave Murphy.
Yeah, I've seen you around. I thought this used to be your place.
That's like imagining it is, but it's not.
Did it used to be?
But what do you mean?
Did you used to live here?
I at 193 at this, yeah.
Okay. You got kicked out of here or something?
It's like this could be.
Okay.
She left me for him.
What are you doing here now?
Wanted to know why she's not with me now.
Well, she's not here. There's nobody here. It's vacant.
That's what I'm saying. Like, when does she come back?
Nobody's ever coming back. The house is going to be renovated and it's going to be sold.
Oh, I heard about how Dave and how I'm going to talk to what's his name?
The place doesn't have any placards on it.
I'm talking about
Does it have signs on it or anything that say you're not allowed to be here?
That's what I'm saying. Tell me like
You see any placards or anything, Jeff? Is there placards? Okay.
Like two of them on that.
You've been on the street this whole time since you got kicked out of here, right?
Yeah.
Have you have you gone anywhere, gotten any help or anything?
No.
Why not?
She said I need help. I was walking back here.
You do need help. You're homeless, and you're not in the right state of mind. Your mental health is messed up.
Yeah, I've been high all night, but I was loving God, loving neighbor. Just I want to. You know what I mean?
But so are you saying that it's meth and it's not just mental health?
No, but it's me waking up ready to shine so late now. I still ain't right now. I saw her all through all.
What are you trying to do?
Why try to get to an alley would be good.
You've been in a bad shape for a couple months now. Like there was that day up at the up on Broad Street when you thought there were kids in the back of a semi truck.
I was one off day that you know of.
Yeah.
Besides that, what else, man?
Well, you're having an off day right now too.
I've got my neighborhood to the point where I know I'm good. Even that's like.
Have you been down to the shelter or anything?
I haven't needed
Ask for help. Well, if you're living on the street, you need to get some help, man.
So I can go out survival with officers like that. And so now I understand how the officers.
He hurt himself trying to shut the door. He'll be alright.
I think we're good, brother. Either way, I think you already see where I'm at.
I don't think you're good. I want you to be better.
All right, so
I want you to be safe.
I do this morning. It's different.
Well, is the majority?
Come here, Kelly! Kelly! Come here!
Is the majority of your problem? Hey, it's not placarded or anything, right? So, Is the majority of your problem drug related or mental health related?
Why would you want to be saying I'm going to even talk to you? Why you?
198.
What?
198. Yeah, are you okay? Do you need a medic?
I'll let you know.
Well, where's your? Are you still pushing that cart around with all your belongings on it?
Yeah,
Where's that at?
it's one right here.
To the corner right here. Do you have a tent somewhere?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I need to talk.
What's your plan to get housing?
Okay.
I could ask, I could do something.
You what? Well, the reason I'm asking is because if your main problem is mental health, I can take you to a mental health treatment facility.
No, I'm good, brother.
If your main problem is drugs, I can take you to a drug treatment
It's
facility.
like I can get a job anytime I want. Cause
You can't. You're not in the right state of mind.
How have I got here this far then, brother?
You're barely surviving, man. That's the
I'm barely
truth.
surviving.
Yeah. I'm concerned about you. I want you to do better, man.
Okay, and I'm still here to a job that you don't even know what I'm doing.
You're homeless. You're just living on the
I'm
street.
homeless and you have a job like that. How am I here too now?
Because I'm here checking on you, man. And I really want you to do well. I want the best for you.
How much?
Have you talked to anyone like at Refuge or anything like that? When they took you to the hospital that day up on Broad Street, did you end up going to Dublin Springs or anything afterwards? What did they do?
That's the admission number.
Did they just keep you for a couple hours and then release you?
I felt like that. They can knock me out and I'm going to pass a certain test.
Okay. How you been getting your food and stuff?
Spray this down.
Where you been getting food and stuff?
Wherever it takes.
Wherever it takes.
Yeah, whenever.
You just getting money by begging?
No, it's like, begging or going to a trash can, yeah.
And that's not good, man.
I mean, but it's like, you have to walk a certain way before, man.
It's not good for you. How old are you?
Well, it's like, give me like half of one check, but and I'm living life to the fullest.
You're not living life to the fullest, man.
Yeah, how much are you making an hour?
You're barely getting by.
All day, like.
I get paid almost $50 an hour.
Okay, so you're making $1,000 easy then.
I make good money. But right now, you're just not in a state of mind. I don't know if it's drugs that's got you that way or if it's just your underlying mental health problems.
So me worried really that she had sex with him out here in the garage, and that's why I came back.
Who'd you hear that from?
So yeah, I could have. I think it was her a later date,
Okay. That has nothing to do with you at this point, though.
right? We all know that.
The only thing that I care about is trying to get you some help, man, and you need it.
What do I need to risk losing?
Well, you need to talk to some people about getting into some housing and getting mental health treatment.
Okay, and it wasn't putting my thought on it this morning,
It's not. It hasn't been in your thoughts. It's in mine.
but it has been.
Has it been?
It's like we all three.
What's your plan? What's your plan to get
We
better?
can play, but you guys are footsteps.
What?
We can play, but you guys are footsteps, bro. You don't know that.
No, it has nothing to do with anything like that.
It has to
The
do with everything.
problem is, you need to get yourself better. You're gonna die out here on the street.
Yeah, we're supposed to die daily. Yeah, I'm doing it right.
I don't want you to die out here on the street. I want you to get healthy and become a regular member of society again.
Alright, well, can I finish this job out today so I can actually live my life?
You want to finish out what today?
This job today with the red bin.
What's that? What's your job with the red bin?
It's me to pretty much make us can sit down and have it where we can have it.
That doesn't make any sense, man.
Yeah, it does. It means it's like we put everything in front of each other a certain way so you don't get to just come.
What drugs do you use?
Bro, do you not understand this red bin right behind you?
I know.
You know you can condense that down, right?
Okay.
How'd you do that?
Put in a compactor, maybe.
Okay, so why are you? See how you
I don't have anything to do with
so
that.
much confidence, but yeah, now you're
What drugs do you like to use?
81.
Is it meth? Is meth the main one?
Jeremy, where are you coming from?
Dave,
Somebody I answered you on purpose, and you saying Dave like that on purpose, so we won't.
it's your name, right?
Oh, okay. All right. Disregard it.
What's your drug of choice? Is it meth?
Yeah,
That's got you messed up.
in a sense, no, but no.
It does. When's the last time you used? Today?
I barely used any last night. I was taking care of her, and I want to be a second chair to me. Yeah, How she would have been already had sex with him.
So it's, you hallucinate sometimes, and that's
No,
because of
but
the
that's
meth.
how they like choose to do that sometimes. Depending on that, because you love them to a certain.
It's got a
spot.
bad effect on you, though.
Not with me.
It does, because you're out here pushing a cart around.
But still, I'm sorry, doing good though, living my best life.
You're not doing good. You're not living your best life. You're out here crashing in vacant garages
I love it how that's
with
how
the neighbors calling the police on you. We had
That's like not having no other better story than that to give you.
why don't you?
Like 193, literally freaked, we far down the alley. You know, the other 193 took it all back.
The cruiser or
Yes, the cruiser. I
Yeah.
said 191 is pulling up, and how that's 198.
no, it's true, but that has nothing to do with anything.
But it's like, why is it running?
You know, you're not allowed to be on this property anymore.
Oh, yeah,
It's
fine.
not yours. So you keep coming here though.
Well, it's whatever you want.
But I don't think you're going to listen to me. I don't think you're going to
Why
follow
not?
the rules.
So 198, 181.
I'm 198, but I really want you to get off the street.
All right, brother, let's go.
There's people. Well, where can I take you? Have you had a plan at
Say,
all?
let's go get something to eat, brother. Let's talk about some life.
No, we're not going to go get something to eat. I want you to go to like a treatment facility.
Let's
Get
say
yourself
you
better.
can $10, but we can't go to McDonald's.
No, we're not doing that.
Okay, then why can't I just walk away?
You can, but I'm trying to convince you to get some help that make you better in the long
I'm
run.
thinking, brother. I'm walk away.
All right, man. You take care of yourself, but stop coming back here, okay? You gonna remember that? All right. What are you doing, David?
I have my stuff on the back porch.
Oh, how much stuff do you have on the back porch?
Take that bag.
All right, go and grab it. I'm just gonna make sure everything's okay. Is this your cart?
I don't know, bro.
You used to have a lot more stuff.
I know, right?
Where'd it go?
I'll get mine away.
All right, you're just gonna keep losing your stuff if you don't get yourself off the street. You can go into the hospital and tell them that you need help. They'll help you. You can go down to Van Buren. Have you ever been down to the Hope Center?
That's probably where I've got to go too.
You know where it is?
You know Sullivan?
It's actually on Wheatland now.
Really? Okay, yeah, Sullivan.
It's south of Sullivan on Wheatland. Go down there. Ask them for some help getting into a spot.
Yeah, right.
They'll give you the resources. They'll make phone calls for you.
All right, yeah, I might just do that.
I wish you would. I don't want to see you out here anymore.
All right,
It's gonna get cold soon.
I made a parking for a woman in the house. She screwed it up.
Well, I'm sure the woman wasn't helpful, but you're screwing it up on your own right now, man. I don't know how much of you is in there that you can actually understand what I'm saying.
I know, bro.
All right.